Hi there again everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing my very first Erin Condren planner. Around this time of the year, like fall, when fall hits, that's when I review or kind of assess are my planners working out for me. Now the reason why, even though Erin Condren is so popular, I never bought my Erin Condren, couple of reasons. Number one, it's so expensive. I mean, I gotta be honest with you on that. I don't have anything against people who would like to splurge on their planners, and that's great. But I can't bring myself up to pay $70 or $75. I don't like coils. They get stuck. If I put them in my big tote when I'm traveling, they get stuck, okay? Whatever notebook it is with a spiral, they just get stuck. So when they came out with this style of planner, I was like, okay, now that one I can certainly get. And then when I look at their website, I found this one and it's so affordable. And what I've done is, because it's my first order, I got a discount. I forgot now whether I got a 10% or I got a $10 discount. Okay, I was watching a channel and some of this Erin Condren planner ladies, and I forgot now which, I apologize, I forgot now which one I clicked on. I think it's one where they showed different types of planners for Erin Condren. And then she said there's a link at the bottom, and then if you click that, you get a $10 off on your first Erin Condren. And I said, okay, I can use that, because I saw this, she was showing something similar, different style. And of course, now this is the one that I am getting. So I got a $10 off, and they gave me some freebies, and total I only purchased, or I think total I only paid $29.99 via PayPal. Okay, so let's unbox this, because I want to share with you the excitement. So I like the packaging. This is wrapped, and this are the free, they gave you this. Hello and welcome. Thanks for your first order. So if the trend of saving continues with Erin Condren, it may be a long and lasting relationship, especially if I like the product. Okay, so they gave you with this hello and welcome. Thanks for your first order. And then they gave you free gift labels to simplify and stylize. And then they even give you an Erin Welcome 10, a 10% off on your next purchase. So that's great. So if ever I need to buy something, then I still have my coupon here. And then of course, to and from, enjoy. It's just like, it's a piece of paper. It's fine. Be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. I like that. And this is like a postcard. Yeah, it's a postcard. I can put a note here. That's nice. That's sweet. Now let's open this up. Okay. And this one is the metallic date dots, because what I got is an undated hard cover planner. See? No coils. I like that it's well packaged too. So let's open this one. Okay. Oh, it's kind of velvety in texture. It's a customizable calendar, and they call this the Hardbound Life Planner. And this has a customizable calendar weekly planning system, and it is designed to help you if you're starting out late in the year or whatever time of the year. You don't necessarily have to start January, because it's not a predated planner, and what I like, it is a vertical layout. Like I said, it's hardbound, no coil. Let me just save that. And they come in different designs, I believe, but when I went to the website, this is the one that popped out. And I like the style a lot. Okay. I think they do have the predated ones as well, but I like the undated calendars. The foiling, the rose gold foiling is so pretty, and again, it feels so velvety. Inside it's not velvety, but the foiling you could see and even feel a little difference with the foiling. And of course, place to where you could put your ownership name. That's on the front. And the pages, they have improved their pages that they will not bleed through, okay? And that's very important, especially if you like to use those pens that normally would bleed through on thinner paper. This one is great, especially if you like doodling as well or using your markers. Love this one. It says do all that you can and all that you thought you could not. And a little progress each day adds up to big results. So this one is more, you know, cardstock style, but this one is thick paper as well, so you can hear it. I like this. Don't call it a dream, call it a plan. And I think this is, you know, for the 12 months, you have a goal. You can set, you have goal boxes. I think I call them goal boxes. I don't know what they really call them, but this is where you have your dream or goals for each month, and that's where you're going to put them. And then here's a page for notes. And this one says, trust the magic of new beginnings. So this is for January. And look at this. This is kind of like a border here on top. And this is where you can put, you can either write your dates or use their free date dots. Okay, and I'm probably going to use it. I don't mind. So, and this is the weekly layout. And I know a lot of folks like it when it starts on a Monday instead of a Sunday because they like putting those washies together Saturday, Sunday. And I like it this way too because a lot of things that I do on the weekend, I kind of consider both days, not just one day. There are 3 boxes or grids throughout the day. So if you want to do a morning, afternoon, evening, or if you want to use this as your main planner, like for example for me, okay, I can do this. I can use the first one for work, the middle one for my YouTube, and then the third one would be for some notes throughout the day, and then some summary there. Here you can write your goals, set your goals for the whole week. And then you can put some kind of sticker there to decorate. I probably can do that too. Now for the date dots, yeah, I could still use this, I guess, if there are extras. I don't know how many pages. I'm going to open that up later. So, or I can write. I don't mind writing. So that's it. And there are several weeks there. And there's, oh, this is what I don't like. There's some kind of, I don't know what to call that. Is that dirt? I don't think that's an art. I'll just check the other pages similar to this. Check the other pages similar to this, see if that is a style. But to me, that's dirt. If that is an art, they didn't do a good job at it, right? So that's on minus for me. Is it a big deal or showstopper? Perhaps if they keep repeating that each page, I will return it. But right now, this is the only page I see this, okay? And then here's another page, a different color. So if this one was in, I would say pink, this one is more in blush or coral or peach color. You are a diamond, nothing can break you. And it has a matching border. This is the monthly. And then this is the weekly. And then let's see that page where there's a streak. See if that's something that is repetitious. No. Okay, so that's only one page. So that is kind of like a defect when they created or made this in the factory. I'm fine with that. I'm not going to raise a stink on that. So, yeah. I'm not that hard to please. If I spent $70 or $75 for this, this will go back, even for minute details, I guess. Well done is better than well said. So this one is more in a bluish purple tone. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so that's that. Let's see here again. Same layout. That's why I'm not going page by page anymore. Okay, no dirt. Oh, this is my favorite color. Teal. Stop wishing, start doing. And then the next one would be more mint green. Being kind never goes out of style. In border. And then let's see here. Or is this the mint green? And this is the teal or turquoise. This is probably the turquoise. This is the mint green. Be the kind of person you want to meet. That's true. Love the colors. I mean, really. And then the colors repeat again. So I guess there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors repeated twice. So the first 6 months and the second half, you know, ending in the last type of color. When you go to the very end, you don't only get one page as opposed to when you end each month. You get 2 lined pages and then 2 dotted pages. Let's see if there's another one. Oh, that's it. So those 4 extra pages. So yeah, and use them any way you want. And then here's the last one. Your best accomplishment isn't that you finish, it's that you had the courage to start. Let's get social. Show us your customized. Show us how you customize your planner, and then you can tag them. Tag Erin Condren, and if you want to share it on social. The back is the same velvety touch, and it says here Erin Condren. That a lot, I really do. So this is the date dots. Let's open this up. I wonder if this is just 12 pieces. Hopefully it's 24 so that I can use this for my monthly layout and then my weeklies, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, just as I thought. Not that I am not thankful. I'm glad they gave this freebie. So this one I can certainly use for my monthly layout, and then I can just write or use other ways or stickers to decorate each week. I am not going to do a weekly layout or monthly layout plan with me videos like I've done a long time ago. It seems like eons, because it's hard to commit to that. There are specific planner ladies. I am going to refer you to one good friend of mine. Her name is Teresa Barham. She likes to do planners. She has different types of planners. She has an Erin Condren planner. I don't think she has a hardbound, but it's no different. It's just the way it's set up. She has the coiled ones, but she has a lot of planner videos. She does it weekly and monthly, and she has beautiful layouts. She works with a lot of planner sticker companies, and she is amazing. You'll be blown away. Subscribe to her channel. Tell her that you found her through this video and that I sent you there, and say hi for me. Okay, so yeah, she's very nice. And yeah, so this one, another thought on this, I like that it is gold foiled on the edge. Isn't that pretty? And then the corners are rounded, and when you open it, whether you are from opening from the start, of course you need to train it a little bit and do that, but it's not hard, because some hardbound books, diaries or notebooks, and even planners, they're hard to open up. But this one, look at that. Let me see how they're stitched. I don't know if they're glued on or stitched, I cannot tell. Well, here we go. I think I can see it here. Some markings. Maybe at the middle. You can barely see it, of course, because that's how good the workmanship is. But I will research it further. But I think they were kind of sewed on. I don't know. Yeah, I like it. And this has a page marker. Let me know in the comments down below if you like planning and what you use for your planner. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe, and also don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new uploads. I hope to talk to you again in my next video. Leave me some comments. Take care, everybody. God bless. Bye bye.